Now we're going to look at example 2. So example 2 is asking how far from the base of a house is a 40-foot ladder if the angle of elevation is 72 degrees. So here's my ladder. The angle of elevation, so that's from the ground, your angle of elevation is 72 degrees. Remember, angle of elevation, angle of depression are always from the horizontal. So this is your horizontal. And we want to know how far it is from the base of the house. So how far is the base of the ladder from the base of the house? So we know that, oh, that's wrong. That should be 40 feet. Okay, it's a 40-foot ladder. That says it's 40 inches. Or 40, we can just write it as 40 feet. So that's a 40-foot ladder. This is 72 degrees, and we don't care about how high it is up there. We want to know what this is. So here's my right angle. The side opposite the right angle is the hypotenuse, and I did not spell that right. Let's try that again. Is the hypotenuse. There we go. And this side helps make up the angle, so this is the adjacent. So again, we look at SOHCAHTOA. Adjacent and hypotenuse is cosine. So we know that cosine theta is equal to the adjacent over the hypotenuse. So the cosine of 72 degrees is equal to the adjacent, is what we don't know, over the hypotenuse, which is 40. Okay, because my variable's on top, I know it's a multiplying question, but let's also look at our little triangle. So cosine is equal to the adjacent over the hypotenuse, and this tells me I am looking for the adjacent, so I cover up the adjacent, and it's the cosine times the hypotenuse. So the adjacent is equal to 40 times the cosine of 72 degrees. So D is equal to 40 times the cosine of 72 degrees equals, as 12.36. We don't have anything. We've been doing one decimal place, so let's go one decimal place just because that's what we've been doing throughout the book. So it would be 12.36. The 3, I look at the 6. The 6 tells me I need to round up, so that's 12.4. My units are feet because that's a 40-foot ladder, so 12.4 feet. So the ladder is 12.4 feet from the base of the house.